progressive tax systems, and tax brackets. Understanding how higher incomes are taxed at higher rates is fundamental to financial literacy. Today, let's break down this important concept in a simple and clear way. A progressive tax system is one where the tax rate increases as your income rises. This means that people who earn more money pay a larger percentage of their income in taxes compared to those who earn less. It's designed to distribute the tax burden more fairly across different income levels. Tax brackets are income ranges, each with its own tax rate. For example, income from $0 to $10,000 might be taxed at 10%. Income from $10,001 to $50,000 might be taxed at 20%. And income above $50,001 might be taxed at 30%. These brackets determine how much tax you pay on different portions of your income. Here's a common misconception that confuses many people. Some believe that if they move into a higher tax bracket, all of their income will be taxed at that higher rate. This is wrong. The correct understanding is that only the income that falls within each bracket is taxed at that bracket's rate. Your earlier income is still taxed at the lower rates. Let's work through an example with an annual income of $60,000. The first $10,000 is taxed at 10%. The next $40,000, from $10,001 to $50,000, is taxed at 20%. Finally, the remaining $10,000 is taxed at 30%. Each portion of income is taxed separately according to which bracket it falls into. Breaking down the numbers, $10,000 multiplied by 10% equals $1,000 in tax. $40,000 multiplied by 20% equals $8,000. $10,000 multiplied by 30% equals $3,000. Adding these together, the total tax owed is $12,000. Now, to find the effective tax rate, divide the total tax of $12,000 by the total income of $60,000, then multiply by 100. This gives us 20%. Even though the highest bracket is 30%, the effective tax rate is only 20% because not all income is taxed at the highest rate. Let's recap the key points. Progressive taxes apply different rates to different portions of your income. Moving into a higher tax bracket doesn't mean all your income is taxed at that higher rate. And most importantly, your effective tax rate will always be lower than your highest bracket rate. Understanding these principles helps you better navigate your personal finances.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.